In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play music in Discord with a music bot. If you'd like to listen to music with friends while hanging out in a Discord voice channel, using a music bot is a simple and effective solution. Music bots can play songs directly into a voice channel, allowing everyone who joins to hear the same music at the same time. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set everything up and start playing music on your Discord server. To begin, open Discord and create a new server. On the left-hand side of the screen, click the plus icon to add a server. Choose the option to create your own server, select the appropriate setup option, and then give the server any name you'd like. Once you've finished creating the server, you'll be ready to add a music bot. Next, look toward the top area of Discord and open the app directory. This is where you can search for bots and applications that can be added to your server. In the search bar, type the name of the music bot and select the first result that appears. After opening the bot's page, click the option to add the application. Discord will ask you to choose a server. Select the server you just created, then continue through the authorization process and grant the required permissions. Once everything has been approved, return to your Discord server. Now that the bot has been added successfully, it's time to start using it. Join one of the voice channels in your server. This is important because the bot will play music into the voice channel you're connected to. After joining the voice channel, move to a text channel where commands can be entered. To play music, type the play command followed by the name of the song you want to hear. You can enter the title of virtually any song and then press enter. The bot will search for the track and begin playing it for everyone currently in the voice channel. If you'd like to listen to additional songs, simply use the same play command again with another song title. The bot will automatically add the new song to the queue, allowing tracks to play one after another without interruption. If you ever need help or want to learn more about the bot's features, type the help command. This will display a list of available commands and show you everything the bot is capable of doing. That's all there is to it. Once you've added the bot, joined a voice channel, and entered a play command, you'll be able to enjoy music with everyone in your Discord server. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.